Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Krishna. I am 43 years old from Philippines. I am single parents. I have two daughters, 20 years old and 50 years old. My highest education attainment is high school graduate. My experience are taking care of elderly, children, and pet care. I work as domestic helper as almost 2 years with one employer. I currently serve 6 people, 1 couple, 1 purpo, and 3 children, 19, 21, and 18 years old. I doing all work like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I'm willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as a housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and fast learner and trustworthy. I promise to a good housemaid, and I prioritize my job and finish my contract for more. Thank you, ma'am and sir.